Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come up with a great news. So the long awaited TCS Free NQT hiring for the engineering graduates and also like MCA and MSc graduates has finally been announced. So this hiring comes under three categories, including like Ninja Digital and Prime. So in this video, I'll be sharing the important dates and then the eligibility criteria, the test pattern, and also like how to apply for this particular hiring. Okay, so the preparatory resources also I have provided in the description below. You can make use of it. Okay, first regarding the dates, so the registration has already started and the last date to register is April 10th 2024. Okay, Wednesday, there is the last date to register. Now do not wait until the last date, because if you see, now this is a now the exam centers, this exam, okay, it's a computer based examination, but you have to physically appear in the TCS Ion centers. Okay, so like for example, let's say you're opting, you want to opt for Chennai. Now places like Chennai, they get filled up so quickly. Okay, so then you may have to choose some other center. Okay, so if you are eligible and willing, just go for the registration immediately. Do not wait until the last date. Okay, so 10th of April 2024 is the last day to apply, and the test date is 26th of April 2024. Friday is the date of test. Okay, now usually the shortlisted candidates can expect the admit card, okay, through the mail. Okay, you can expect it like 2 or 3 days before the exam. Okay, so somewhere around 24th or a bit before, okay, you can expect the admit card. Okay, so this is regarding the important dates. Now we'll move on to the eligibility criteria. Okay, so they are expecting a minimum of 60 percentage throughout the academic career, or 6 CGPA. Okay, so you should have cleared in the first class is what they are expecting. Okay, and the highest qualification, it can be like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or MCA, or MSc or MS in any specialization. Okay, so any branch graduates can apply for this. Okay, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, MS can apply. Okay, so please remember, now this is for the 2024 batch, but there should not be any active current arrears. Okay, so there should not be any current arrears. Okay, and the course should have been completed in the stipulated time. For example, if it is a 4-year BE course, okay, that should have been completed in 4 years. Okay, so if it is a 2-year ME course, okay, that should be completed in 2 years, and the gap in education should not exceed 2 years. Okay, that is maximum of 24 months, and only full-time courses are permitted, and part-time and correspondence is not permitted. However, like if the candidates have completed the secondary or senior secondary from the National Institute of Open Schooling, now that's however permitted. Okay, and there is no work experience required. However, candidates with up to 2 years of up to a maximum of 2 years of prior work experience is permitted. Okay, but usually, like, but for this particular hiring, no work experience is required, because this is for the 2024 batch. Okay, now the maximum age limit is 28 years and the minimum age limit is like 18 years. Okay, now regarding the hiring categories, there are three hirings. Okay, one is the basic ninja hiring, okay, where the offer is 3.36 lakhs per annum, and that's for the UG, and for the postgraduates it is 3.53 lakhs per annum. Okay, so here you are expected to manage, support application development and management, enhance system engineering for better efficiency, etc., is what they have mentioned. Now the next hiring is digital hiring, where the offer is like 7 lakhs per annum for UG, and 7.03 lakhs per annum for the PG. Okay, so here you'll be working on like projects on solution development and integration, drive internal initiatives focused on modern technologies, etc., is what they have mentioned. Okay, and there is a prime offer. Now for the prime offer, the offer is like 9 lakhs per annum for UG, and for PG it is 11.5 lakhs per annum, wherein you'll be working on complex projects with advanced technologies and algorithms, exploration of emerging tech for industry applications, etc., is what they have mentioned. So these are the like hiring categories. Now regarding the test pattern, okay, see, you can opt for any of the three categories, but whatever category you opt for, the foundation is compulsory. Okay, the foundation sections, there are two sections, okay, foundation and advanced, but foundation is compulsory. Okay, now if you are looking for digital or prime, you should definitely, you know, like attempt the advanced section. That is what they have mentioned. Okay, so as far as the foundation section is concerned, they have numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So the duration is like 25 minutes for each of these section. Now in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to numerical and reasoning, and as far as the verbal ability is concerned, we have a proprietary platform wherein the questions are available there. You can make use of it. This is for the foundation section. Okay, now as far as the advanced section is concerned, you have the advanced quantitative aptitude and advanced reasoning ability. So we have videos related to that as well. Now that's for 25 minutes, and we have the advanced coding. Okay, now as far as coding questions are concerned, the PDF, the questions in PDF formats are available in our Telegram channel. You can make use of it. Now these are from the previous years. Okay, so this is, so please understand. Now for any category, the foundation section is mandatory, and for digital and prime, the advanced section is definitely mandatory. Okay, so these are the this is regarding the selection process. Okay, so those who qualify this, okay, so those who qualify this will be called for the interview. Okay, so after this you will have an interview, and again that will happen like based on, so the shortlisting of, you know, like for prime and, you know, like advanced and all that will happen based on the performance. That is of course applicable for Ninja as well. Okay, they'll call based on the performance. Okay, right, so those who qualify will be called for the interview. Right, now next regarding like how to apply for this. Okay, now how to apply, the link to apply provided in the description below. After looking at the video, you can, you know, like check. Now I have also made a separate video on how to apply for the TCS hiring. Right, so now this hiring, it is under IT. Okay, so when you, if you are registering it for the first time, then you should choose IT. Okay, should choose IT. By mistake, if you choose BPS, then you have to remove that profile. Okay, you have to write to TCS, you have to remove that profile, only then you can apply for IT. Okay, so be very careful. So apply only through IT for this particular hiring. Now, so there are, you know, like essentially three steps. Okay, one is the basic registration, which is the next step portal registration, and then once you complete the basic registration, you have to complete the application form, and then you have to apply for this particular drive. Now in the basic registration, they ask for your name, your Aadhaar is mandatory here. Okay, that is how they identify the uniqueness of the candidate. Okay, so Aadhaar is mandatory. Then you have to enter your date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institution name, qualification, yeah, year of passing, etc. Right, so after you complete all this, you will get a mail to your registered email ID. Okay, so from there you can enter, and I mean you can click on that link, and then you can get into the TCS portal again, wherein you can log in using, once you have completed the basic registration, you can log in using your email ID and password, or you can log in using the DT number that you get in the mail. Okay, the DT number or the CT number that you get in the mail, you can log in using that, and then you can complete the application. So in the application, you have to fill in your personal details, your academic and work experience if you have any, and then the languages known, etc. Right, in the personal details, they'll ask for your address and contact details. In the academic, of course, your 10th marks, 12th marks, your graduation marks. If you are a PG candidate, then PG marks, etc. All those details you have to fill in, and then if you have you know, like any certifications or achievements or scholarships, you can mention that. You can fill in your nationality and languages, etc. You have to upload your recent photograph and recent CV. Okay, in the prescribed format. Okay, now as far as so your mode of test is, you know, like in center, and then you have to click on apply. Now when you go for the confirming your status, if you click on track your application, it should reflect as applied for drive. Okay, that is first, you know, like so once you complete your application, if you are eligible for this particular drive, okay, if you are eligible for this particular drive, on the top left, usually this comes on the top left. Okay, you will see apply for drive. Okay, now when you click on this apply for drive, and then if you track your status, the status should reflect as applied for drive. Okay, now this is a confirmation that your application has been received by TCS. Okay, so this is a confirmation that your application has been received by TCS. Okay, so with this I come to the end of this video. If you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section here. Now I hope the video was useful to you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and then share it with your friends who may need it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.